This is
Yeah.
the agile differences, pros and cons.
Yeah.
And means we are talking about the agile methodology. It is the one of the most popular methodologies these days. A lot of companies and projects are going to use this agile way. So what is exactly agile? So मैंने जो भी बोला कि हम it's very important करना है बाद में. So we have to collect the requirement. Then design team will
Mm.
design the requirement. Uh, Development team will develop the requirement. QA team will testing. UAT will BA will do the testing. Then deployment DevOps team will do the deployment of this that particular sprint. Then review has been done by our senior or a technical lead, and then we have to deliver that particular requirement. And this circle, it means that it's a iterative approach, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means it's an incremental approach. So this is the agile
Mm.
methodology. We are following this. It's very important. You can mug up this the requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, review. If anyone asks you what are the stages of the agile methodology you are following in your industry, so you can say this. This is the agile steps we are following in our method, right?
Mm. Mm.
And
Yes.
these are like some theoretical points of the agile. Agile is the software development is a conceptual framework for a software engineering development iteration throughout the life cycle of the project. And during unit of time, it is referred to an iteration which may last from 1 to 4 weeks. As I told you, whatever that iteration we are following, it is for 1 to 4 weeks. But generally, industry is following to 2 weeks. But it differ from industry to industry, and it is mainly emphasizing on a working software as the measure of primary focus rather than meetings or creating the documentation or other thing of what is our progress on that particular software delivery. So these are the
Mm.
very important things of agile methodology. These are the key principle of the agile. It's a self-driven meeting, you can say. Self-driven means there is no boss in the meeting, there is no supervisor manager kind of this thing. The first point is like focus on customer value. Means as a team, we have to align as a project, product, or a team vision to deliver a better product quality, faster and cheaper. Means our aim is just create the just deliver the project on time and do whatever the work I have, right? And I told you, whatever the complete project, we have to divide in the small feature, like small chunking the feature and delivery into small increment. What is the purpose of small feature? It means that whenever tester or UAT is doing for that, and if you found any bug or any issue in that small feature, we can find it easily, and we can rework on that bug before moving to the next sprint. That's why we are working on a small batches, and we have a small integrated teams. Let's take any big industry. It's not like that. It's a complete team of 30 to 40 people. Not like that. Means for a small project, there are only 5 to 6 people. And if the project is really big, then only 10 to 11 people, you can say. Because here is we need an intense collaboration of the team, like business analyst will talk to the developer, technical lead, QA person. So 5 to 6 member is enough for every project. Though the project is long, very big, we have to work together till 2.5 years. Still, it's a very small team. It has a diversified role integrated, and it's a self-organizing team, self-disciplined team. That means it's not like that we have a line manager, we have a supervisor for we have to give update. No, everyone has a task for a particular day or a particular week. We have to complete on time, and if you are not able to complete that task, you should be ready with that your reason. Yes, a BA is always ready with the user stories and documentation. That is not a very tough task. And small and continuous improvement. Team reflects, learn, adapt to change, and work informs the plan. Means whatever the whatever the team, whatever the work did today, we have to inform in the stand-up meeting, and we are just
Yeah.
yes. And like I told you. in Agile, there are small team, or if the project is really big, then only medium-sized team. But there are not a big team because we have to do collaboration of the each and every member, and it is highly recommended in a vague or changing requirement scenario. Means I told you, this methodology it's for like a dynamic project, or the project is very like highly demanding in nature, or it can change anytime, or it happens like it's very big project, then only team is following the agile methodology. So this is the difference
Okay.
between waterfall, agile, and STLC. Now tell me what are
Yeah.
your question, what you get in the section.
Yeah. So, firstly, we have discussed in early session about um, about the basic concept of business analysis, and after that we had covered SDLC, where there were four phases, which is like planning, requirement planning, system design, coding, and UAT. So this we had also covered with example, like the restaurant one, and based on software, how we will do. So, and in industry, in software industry, how SDLC works. So this we discussed. After that, we have discussed waterfall model and agile model, and what is the difference and pros and cons between these two.
Correct, correct. And
Yeah.
did you like find this session helpful, or what is your feedback?
Yeah.
Uh, uh,
I actually, because I mean, going through modules, that is a different thing, but
uh,
interacting one to one, this really helps, because ये चीज मेरे को, मतलब जैसे आपने लेमैन लैंग्वेज में मुझे बताया ना कि ओके इस तरीके से हम करेंगे, बट वो चीज
हम्म,
मॉड्यूल्स में कैप्चर, मतलब दिमाग में नहीं आता है पढ़ते
नहीं
टाइम
आता है,
पे.
हाँ, it will take time, yes. Correct,
Yeah.
correct.
So yes, it
Yes.
is really helpful, Rohit. Yeah.
Yeah. No, no, we will do that. No issue. I don't know. We are facing. What are your questions now? Like, oh, you told me you have a question. Epic तो वो तो clear
Um,
हो जाएगा. No, don't worry about the epic. उसका
या
proper
सो
definition भी
फर्स्ट
है.
वो तो, या एपिक था, फिर एसडीएलसी में भी मुझे वही कोडिंग वाला जो पार्ट था वो मुझे पूछना था, जो ऑलरेडी हमने कवर करा.
हम्म,
एंड बाकी एज सच मुझे क्वेश्चन ही था, और डेटा वेरिफिकेशन एंड वैलिडेशन वाला जो पार्ट था, तो उसमें
हम्म,
मैंने मतलब वेरिफिकेशन वाला पार्ट कवर किया था, वैलिडेशन वाला स्टिल आई एम गोइंग थ्रू दैट. सो
हम्म.
अभी तक एज सच कुछ मतलब क्वेश्चन है नहीं कि पूछना है.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great.
या
Okay. And
क्योंकि मेरे
like,
जो क्वेश्चंस थे, मतलब ये था कि जैसे अगर कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता है इंडस्ट्री में या इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे कि व्हाट
हाँ,
इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अजाइल एंड वाटरफॉल, तो वाटरफॉल ओके, मैं मतलब एक दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव से बता रहा था, बट अभी वो
हाँ,
मुझे क्लियर हुआ कि ओके,
clear हो
इस
गया.
सिंपल
Yes.
लैंग्वेज में भी हम उनको समझा सकते हैं.
समझा सकता है. Actually, the
या
business analyst is a very generic term, but we have to be very focused on the IT business analyst, how the IT industry is like working. So that is very
या
precise in nature. So आप वैसे आंसर दोगे ना?
ओके.
हाँ.
ओके. सो और मुझे एक चीज ये पूछनी थी कि मतलब अभी जैसे हम नेक्स्ट फिर कब कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं, and मेरा फिर आगे का